Hi, Jane. I want to thank you so much. And hopefully offer a really important bit of illumination. I'm having an autistic meltdown. Through the goodness of your heart, you really tried to help me in the way that you would want to be helped. But unfortunately, what helps you is not what helps me. I'm having a sincere physiological reaction to the clothes that you've given me. I had spent as much gas as I could possibly afford now that it's getting very cold and I have to preserve gas to stay warm. And there are no clothes donation places. I would like to give you back the clothes so that I can get my home back to a situation where I'm not having a reaction in the place that I must inhabit for 20 hours a day. This has been my life. People unintentionally harming me and me being left with no options. I don't want to throw these clothes away. You were so gracious, but they are harming me. I have not been able to sleep for 2 nights. And then in between, please understand I'm autistic. Please understand I have a neurotype. I've gotten all this stuff and you spent so much money. I'm scared to even look at how much money you spent. But none of my problems got solved. I'm still nowhere near being able to afford food for Zanzi. There's nothing in my life more important than not harming that dog. And this is an autistic meltdown. And I had tried so hard to explain that I should not be going into Costco. And I did it for you. And I'm now losing days of my life. I should have been working yesterday through the long weekend. And all of that advice, I don't think you've spent any moment really to understand what I'm trying to achieve, because none of it helps me be the person that I'm destined to be. I know I can't send this to you. What do? Do I throw the clothes away? So that I don't know when I'm going to be well again. Once that smell gets in the place where I am, it's just I need to run away. I need to not be. Like I don't have any battery. I have to be in the library. I'm agitated. Fuck. You'll wear them. I should bring them back to you. Oh God, how do I handle this?